Hey friends, today we learn how to reset TikTok For You page. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Then click on profile icon in lower corner. Then click on three lines in the upper corner. Click on setting and privacy. Then scroll down. Here you see free up space, simply click on. Here you see cache option, simply click on clear. Click on clear. Go back. Now you successfully reset your TikTok page. After reset the For You page, you see the videos you are not interested in. For that, simply click on hold on video and then click on not interested. That's how you can reset your TikTok page. If you like our video, please subscribe.